A high-stakes lawsuit against the Trump Organization goes to trial this morning in New York, and the former president says he will be there. New York's Attorney General says she wants to put Trump out of business in his home state, and the judge has already ruled that he and his company committed fraud by inflating the value of some of their best-known properties. Robert Costa is at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Bob, good morning to you.
Good morning, Tony. Years ago, when I first started covering former President Donald Trump, he claimed to me he was worth billions. It was a claim he made for many decades to many people. Now those claims face a reckoning here in New York court, and he and his children, including Eric, Donald Jr., and Ivanka, might be called to testify.
Campaigning in Iowa on Sunday, former President Donald Trump lashed out at the mounting trials he faces.
They go after their opponents with the law enforcement now. They've weaponized our law enforcement.
Today, the trial will begin in the civil case brought by New York Attorney General Letitia James last September. She accuses Trump, his sons Donald Jr. and Eric, and the Trump Organization of inflating the value of properties by hundreds of millions of dollars and pumping up Trump's own net worth, all while pursuing favorable bank loans.
Claiming you have money that you do not have does not amount to the art of the deal. It's the art of the steal.
Last week, New York City Judge Arthur Engoron ruled Trump and the Trump Organization had committed fraud and revoked the licenses for some of his flagship properties like Trump Tower. James is seeking $250 million in damages and a ban on Trump running any businesses in New York.
It's a disgrace. It's a rigged. Everything about this city is rigged.
As he pushes to hold on to his front-running position in the Republican presidential race, Trump's attacks have become a refrain, calling this a politically motivated witch hunt by a racist attorney general and a deranged Trump-hating judge. This case is just one of a number of legal troubles the former president faces, including federal indictments stemming from his actions following the 2020 election and alleged mishandling of classified documents. On CBS's 60 Minutes, Attorney General Merrick Garland said the Justice Department is committed to following the law in all cases.
We have only one rule, and that one rule is that we follow the facts and the law, and we reach the decisions required by the Constitution, and we protect civil liberties.
In this case, the judge has allotted 3 months for this trial, and so far, it's done little to rupture Trump's standing in the Republican presidential race, with so many rivals wary of taking him on this front. Gayle.
Bob, we thank you.